What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Angel from the X-Men. We're going to start today's lesson in the center of our page with the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom on the right and do the same thing, coming in and up. Now I'm going to work our way across the brow. On the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. So we're going to start on the left side up here, draw a circle, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull that up toward that bottom point of the brow, and then draw that same size circle on the right side. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye for the pupils. And then we'll fill those in black. Now from here, we're going to draw the opening around the eyes. On the left side, I'm going to step in to create a fold. Then it's out and then down on both sides. Curve this down, just underneath the eyes. And I'll bend this in and then curl that up towards the inside of the eyes. Now let's move to the center and draw on the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Now I'm going to move up in between the eyes and draw a shorter curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down again and draw in the mouth from left to right, moving down and up. Add a bracket on the ends. Now just underneath the mouth, I'm going to add one small curve for the lower lip. Now with the face complete, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From this point, we're going to step over, curve this down, round up the chin just underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up towards the same height. Now I want to leave a gap along the side of the head. I'm going to step up and draw the top half. I'm going to go up, bend this in. I'm going to round up the head along the top, come across towards the right side, and then bend that in. Again, leaving a gap along the side. Let's close out the side with a curve. On the left side, we're going to step up, bend this out around the ear, and then in. Let's go back and draw the inside edge of the mask. In between the top and bottom of the nose, we're going to start with a point. Bend this out and then down. Come down and then bend that in towards the chin. Now with the face complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar on the left side, then it's down and then up. Let's go out to the side and curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Let's connect the hips with a curve, going down and then up. Let's move up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. In the center, we're going to add a circle. In the center of the circle, we're going to add that X. Now underneath the buckle, let's step down. We're going to draw a short line going across. On the right side, draw a straight angle line coming down. Let's go up to the right hip. We're going to bend the leg, going around at the knee. Just going to pull this in and then pull that up underneath that line. We're going to see the top of the foot, starting up here, going all the way around toward the tip of the foot, and just tuck that in behind the knee. And we're going to add a thick trim across the sole along the left side of the foot. Let's go over toward the left side. We're going to bend this leg, going out and then down toward the heel. And then round out the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up to the hip. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down. Now going back to the tip of the foot, we're just going to wrap this around and just tuck that in behind that line. Let's add another thick trim across the bottom of the left foot. Then we're going to move up and add a curve across the edge of the boot. Let's go back to that center line. On the left, we're going to bend the shorts going up and then out toward the left hip, and bend this up and out towards the right hip. Now let's go back up to the top and extend the arms out towards the side. From the top of the body, step over, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to bend the thumb. We're going to go up, pull that down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. And add one curve across the edge of the palm. Now let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the thumb, draw a half oval, going around and down. Step down, draw another oval, and we want to tuck this one up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the thumb with a half oval, add the second finger up underneath the thumb, and then one more time. Let's go to the bottom finger and bend the palm, coming in and then up. Step down, we're going to draw that same curve coming in toward the side of the body. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now halfway across the arm, we're going to add a curve to close off the edge of the glove. Now with the body complete, let's layer the wings in behind. We'll start underneath the head on the left, bend this out, and then up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a feather texture along the outside. Starting back on the left, round this out, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to add some layers coming back down in behind the arm. So we're going to step halfway across, bend this around, and then in. And as we move down, we start to bring these lines in closer. Let's add a little bit of feather texture along the inside of the wings. Start with a curve, coming down and in, step up, and add another one. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Angel from the X-Men. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.